I'm gonna do a buffalo chicken grilled cheese. The process is very simple, starting with chicken cutlets with a little bit of frizzle and let the cooking begin. This is kind of like the mashup of a jalapeno popper inside of a grilled cheese. First thing you gotta start with is some whipped cream cheese, and then just go to town with whatever cheese you have on hand. I've got a Colby Jack mixture here. I've got some sharp cheddar. Can't have buffalo chicken without some buffalo sauce. So buffalo sauce it up, and then a little seasoning, mix it up and set it aside because we're gonna add our diced chicken whenever that's all done. My chicken's cruising and cooking. I'm actually gonna dome this.
Man, listen to that sizzle. When the Blackstone starts talking to you, that's how you know you're moving and grooving.
Chicken is looking delightful. Let's get this off to the cutting board and get ready to dice it up. And we'll be crushing Nate in no time. Now, the idea here is that we want to go in small bites. Don't go large chunks, go small chunks. Once you get that all done, add it to your bowl and keep mixing all of that cheesy ingredients. Add a little more sauce if you like. Depends on if you like the heat. I've got this delightful sourdough. This is gonna be the magic maker when it comes to these awesome sandwiches. Building is not rocket science, folks. You got some butter, you got sourdough bread, you got provolone cheese, top it with that chicken mixture, get it flipping and crusting, crispity, crunchity all over. Basically, the idea is you want really melty cheese.
Now, I did lay some butter down and gonna grab my dome again for these finishing touches.
Yeah. Huh.
I will say two things.
Great.
I want to eat that. If I went to to go watch a football game at a restaurant and this showed up to the table, I would be so stoked.
You would be pleased.
I'd be upset if this came to the table if I ordered that.
Dude.
Everything you would expect from a buffalo chicken sandwich with extra cheese, but I would not call that grilled cheese.